These days, everyone works remotely from home, so I figured let's make a Windows tip on how to set up your computer to be remotely accessed so that you can work from anywhere around the world. So first thing you have to do is to create a new user. Hold down Windows R to open the Run dialog box. On the Run dialog box, enter lusrmgr.msc. And on the tree diagram here, once you pop up the window here, click on User, right click here, add new user, give it a name, a description, followed by password, and click on Create. Once you create, close it. A brand new user will be created. Right click on your brand new user, Properties, and then click on Member Of, Add, Advanced, Find, and then you go and look for Remote Desktop User. Click OK. That's how you authorize a user to have remote desktop. Hold down Windows I to open your Windows settings. On the left hand side, make sure it's selected as Systems, and if you scroll down on the right hand side, click on Remote Desktop, and if this remote desktop is turned off, turn it on. Confirm that you're gonna enable it, and then if you go to Remote Desktop Users here, you will see that your user that you recently created is already there. If you want to add additional user, click on Add, and then Advanced, and then Find Now, and then you can locate your users. So since we already have our users in place, we're not going to do anything, and click OK. So that's all you have to do to set up your remote desktop. Now try connecting into this computer using the IP address, and it should work.